I wanted to share with you about one of the other workshops that'll be available for you when you come to retreat. And mine is Celtic Knotwork. A few years ago, I had led a group of people on a journey of Celtic spirituality to kind of engage with the Celtic saints from the 8th and 9th centuries. And one of the things that we did together was something called a Celtic knot. The Celts understand the whole relationship between mind, body, spirit. Everything is connected. And so oftentimes their artwork, and those things that maybe you're familiar with Celtic knots, show an unending stream of things that are connected. They might be woven together in different shapes, in different looks, but the idea is that it's one thing that is woven throughout. And so as we create these Celtic knots, it's as simple as a piece of paper and some colored pencils. You are going to take some time to pray and have God speak through your knot. What does that mean? Well, you can use scripture, you can use your journey, you can use any number of things to create this. And I wanted to share just a couple of visions of what it could be. This is one that I made that is based on the Lord's Prayer, Thy kingdom come. And so you can see the scriptures are all throughout here, and then I drew things to go with it. This other one over here, I did so simply at Camp Wellville. I led a workshop doing the same thing. And this one, let's God's peace dwell. And there's some pictures of people praising. There's this mountain, this beautiful flower, and this foot of walking with God. Anyway, each thing that you create is going to be personal to you. So I invite you to be a part of that if that's what you choose to do. Of course, we have Donna's special time on healing prayer and Kathy's about the beauty and glory of clouds. So I just invite you to participate in which one that you feel speaks to you. And if it's this one, I welcome you on board. See you soon. It's just next week. Take care. Bye-bye.